Bonjour students, welcome to Explore Francais. You are learning French with Chala. So in today's video, we are going to learn les articles contracts, means the contracted articles. And what is contracted articles? When the definite articles are preceded with the prepositions either a or the. It makes contracted articles. So here we begin.
Les articles contracts means the contracted articles. Now, what is les articles contracts? Means what is the contracted articles? When the definite articles, that are les articles définis, are preceded with the prepositions either a or the, it makes the contracted articles. Always remember, these are always placed before the noun, and these are used when to go to a place or to come from a place. First, we will do les articles contracts with a, where a means at, to, or in. A means at, to, or in. It is used before proper nouns. Par exemple, first, je téléphone à Shreya means I call to Shreya. We place a before Shreya as Shreya is a proper noun. Second, il habite à Paris means he lives in Paris. We placed a before Paris because Paris is a proper noun. When the preposition a is added with a definite article, masculine one, le, means a plus le means o, which means at, to, in, the. It is used before masculine singular nouns. Par exemple, first, elle va au concert means she goes to the concert. We placed a before concert is a masculine singular noun. Second, Sophie mange au restaurant means Sophie eats in the restaurant or at the restaurant. We placed a before restaurant as restaurant is a masculine singular noun. When we add the preposition a with the definite article, the feminine one la, which is a plus la makes it ala, which means at, to, in, the. It is used before feminine singular nouns. Par exemple, first, nous allons à la piscine means we go to the swimming pool. We placed à la before piscine, that is swimming pool, as it is a feminine singular noun. Second, elle parle à la fille means she speaks to the girl. We placed à la before fille, that means girl, as it is a feminine singular noun. When the preposition a is added with the definite article which is placed before silent h or vowels, that is l apostrophe, which makes it a plus l, that is l apostrophe, it gives you al, which means at, to, in, the. It is used before masculine singular or feminine singular nouns, either starting with a vowel or with a silent h. Par exemple, first, Manuel va à l'hôpital means Manuel goes to the hospital. We placed al before hospital, which means the hospital, as it starts with a silent h. Second, nous montrons photos à l'ami means we show photos to the friends. We placed al before ami, as ami is starting with the vowel, that is a. When the preposition a is added with the definite article which is placed before plural nouns, that is les, a plus les, which gives o, which means add to in the. It is used before masculine or feminine plural nouns. Par exemple, first, tu parles aux femmes means you speak to the woman. We placed au before femme, which means woman, as it is a feminine plural noun. Second, j'écris une lettre aux parents means I write a letter to the parents. We placed au before parents, that means parents, as it is masculine plural noun. Here is we all did till now. Now we will do les articles contracts with the, where the means from or of. The or the apostrophe, which means from or of. It is used before proper nouns. Par exemple, first, c'est la chambre de Shreya means this is the room of Shreya. We placed the before Shreya as Shreya is a proper noun. Second, la mère de Henry est belle means the mother of Henry is beautiful. We placed the before Henry as Henry is a proper noun. When the preposition the is added with the defining article masculine one le, which means the plus le, which gives due, which means from of the. It is used before masculine singular nouns. Par exemple, first, elle parle du concert means she speaks of the concert. We placed you before concert, which means concert, as it is a masculine singular noun. Second, nous venons du travail means we come from the work. We placed du before travail as it is a masculine singular noun. When the preposition the is added with the defining article feminine one la, that is the plus la, gives us the la, which means from of the. It is used before feminine singular nouns. Par exemple, first, c'est le bonbon de la fille means this is the sweet of the girl. We placed the la before fille, which means girl, as it is a feminine singular noun. Second, j'ai la clé de la voiture means I have the keys of the car. We placed the la before voiture, which means car, as it is a feminine singular noun. When the preposition the is added with the defining article l apostrophe, gives us the le, which means from of the. It is used before masculine feminine singular nouns starting either with vowel or with silent h. Par exemple, first, c'est la clé de l'école means this is the keys of the school. We placed the le before école as it starts with e, that is a vowel. Second, je cherche l'adresse de l'acteur means I search the address of the actor. We placed the la before actor as actor is starting with the vowel a. When the preposition the is added with the defining article plural one le, that is the plus le, gives us de, which means from of the. It is used before masculine or feminine plural nouns. Par exemple, first, ce sont les stylos des enfants means these are the pens of the children. We placed they before enfant as it is a masculine plural noun. Second, il retourne des cours means he returned from the classes. We placed they before cours, which means classes, as it is a masculine plural noun. This is to revise all we did with the preposition the.
I hope you liked the video. Keep watching, keep learning French with Jhalak.
Merci d'avoir regardé. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube